What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra. In today's video, I'm coming to y'all with another hair review. This video is sponsored by Dola hair, so shout out to them for sending over this 26-inch kinky curly V-part unit. Y'all, this unit is so easy to install, super versatile and super natural. So if y'all are interested in how I got this look, stay tuned. You're gonna make sure you want to tune in because this unit is bomb. So easy, super effortless, minimum work, no lace. And did I mention it's bomb? Let's get into it. Shout out to Dola hair again for sponsoring this video. Alright, y'all, so I had to show y'all my box because it was so cute, and they put a lot of goodies in here. They gave me a bag and of course the unit. This is a 26-inch kinky curly V-part unit, like I mentioned, with a really nice part in, y'all, for your leave out. They gave me that little headband, an elastic band, which I needed. Thank you, Dola hair. You're gonna need one of these, and I wanted a headband one. And then some other goodies in here like edge brush, wig caps, and all the other extra stuff that y'all seen. But we about to get into it, y'all. They hooked this package up. It was so cute as far as packaging goes, and they have some really good quality hair, so I'm excited to be sharing them with y'all. I just took the wig out the net, and this is how it came. These were the curls fresh out the pack. It's giving my natural hair. Like, I love getting V-part units with my hair texture because your girl really don't like putting heat on her leave out like that. But I was just showing y'all the construction of the wig. It's giving secure. They're not playing. It's definitely giving secure. Do not mind my foundation. I was working with some old braids that I decided to take out in the front for my leave out, so we just gonna ignore that. Who cares? My hair wasn't gonna be out, just a little leave out at the top anyways. So y'all just see me positioning the clips where they're supposed to be and just adjusting the unit. Is so easy and simple, y'all. Like, literally anybody can install this unit. It looks so good and natural, and I always get compliments on my hair when I wear kinky curly V-part units like this one from Dola hair. So this is what the hair was given straight out the pack. Of course, I was gonna fluff the curls out and style it. Y'all will see me do that soon. I'm just taking some water, the little bit of water I had left over. I'm also gonna be putting product in this hair. I think I put some mousse in this hair and gel, and that is it as far as defining the curls. I recommend water and gel because your curls tend to get less frizzy throughout the day of wearing them, and they stay defined all day for me with touching the hair as minimal as possible. So yeah, y'all just see me fluffing out the hair, getting a gist of how it looks. And this length was bomb. This is 26 inches, of course stretched because it is a kinky curly texture, but it looked really cute. So we about to finesse this leave out. Like I said, I'm working with some old hair. It's a little dirty, so just don't judge me. Just ignore that, okay? We about to make it blend, and it's not even gonna look like this in a second. So y'all just saw me combing it out, and usually when I do these types of units, I just try my very best to blend my hair in with the rest of the hair. So y'all see me taking my foaming lotion just to start off with, and then I'm rubbing it all throughout the hair and my hair, and then y'all gonna see me go in with the gel, and that is what I'm gonna really use to blend this hair in. So for my gel, y'all, I decided to use Gorilla Snot. You can use whatever you want and just some water. I find that Gorilla Snot has a really good hold, so that's what I use on my natural hair. So I might as well figure I just might as well put it in the hair as well. So y'all just see me raking it through. After this, I actually did go in. I don't know if I showed y'all on camera or not, but I sectioned the hair off because this hair was pretty thick. So I did section it off just to make sure the gel really got through the hair, and that I put enough in. And as y'all can see, the curls are looking really wet and defined. This is what tends to give me that wet look, and like I said, it just keeps my curls defined all day if I'm touching the hair as minimal as possible, like I told y'all before. So now I'm just spraying water and putting some more gel on my actual hair, and as y'all can see, it blended in instantly. I'm not gonna keep it like this though because my leave out is kind of short. Y'all know I did a big chop not that long ago, so it's enough, of course, to be some leave out, but just for the sake of like flyaways and stuff like that, I do like to do like this little pin-up style that y'all saw in the beginning of the video. So that is what I'm going to be showing y'all. It's literally me just pinning down my hair in the front with bobby pins. It's nothing too special, but this wig is super versatile. I have worn kinky curly wigs and a ponytail with some little hairs out in the front. I've worn it with the little pin down style. Like you could do a few things with your leave out if you choose to do so. I believe it's really meant to just wear in a part and just have your leave out, but it's really up to you if you want to put it in a ponytail and just style it different ways. Put it in a bun, like a little low bun, and just treat it like your hair, because I've done that before and it comes out looking really cute. So I just showed y'all my go-to way of styling the hair, and here it is with minimum products, y'all. No lace. It's just like no hassle. You literally clip the hair in, part you out some hair in the front, girl, for your part, and your hair is done. And not to mention, this part was so deep, it was really nice. I did me some little edges, and this was it, y'all. Literally, like, there's nothing more to it. I really do hope y'all enjoyed this video. All the links on the hair and all the information that you need to know for this wig, if you are interested, will be down in the description box down below. And I thank you, Dola Hair, so much for sponsoring this video. I thank y'all for watching. And just like that, so you got you a cute little natural hairstyle. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see y'all in the next one.